We are at Beaches Negril. We are in a tropical one-bedroom walkout grand concierge family suite, the W1BG. Come check it out. This is 2 connecting rooms. This first room is a living room area, but it sleeps 3 people. You have a daybed with a trundle that will pull out. Into the bathroom, I do like that they have a door that separates the toilet and the shower from the sink area. That was nice if someone can be showering while someone else is getting ready. In the living room, the chair is going to pull out for the 3rd guest for a single sleeper. This worked for my family. This isn't going to work for everyone. A lot's going to depend on the size of your kids. For example, if you have 3 or 4 teen boys that are very tall, another room might be a better fit for you. Into the other room, we have another daybed with a pull-out trundle and a king bed, and then the bathroom setup is the same as the first room. This room category is a walkout, which means you are guaranteed a first floor room, which I personally love. We have done this the last 3 times, and it's so convenient for everyone to come and go. And you can see each room had its own patio. So this is our room behind us. This is Santa Cruz building, and I want to show you why I love this location. Let me turn the camera around. We have 2 paths. We can go this way to a pool, this way to the beach. I'll show you the pool later. We're going to show you the beach because you guys, 7 Mile Beach, I'm telling you, star of the show here at Beaches Negril. We'll walk right behind the water park, and we have some great beach dining with the jerk shack. We have a beach bar, and you can see right through there's the water park, so we're really close to that too. And look at this. 7 Mile Beach is so beautiful. The beach is behind me now. I'm going to turn around. And there is our Pirate Island water park right off the beach. This city has a really fun water park. Let's go check it out. Right off the beach, there's a dump bucket and some slides for the younger kids. There's a lazy river splash pad area. There's 2 larger slides and then the pool with a swim-up bar. Here's our front doors. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what's on the other side. We are super close to dining like Mexican, barbecue, burgers, Japanese, and seconds from, what do you girls got? Froyo. Yo-Yo's frozen yogurt. You have multiple flavors, all the toppings, all included. I lost track how many times we came here. We really enjoyed our stay here, and I can't say enough great things about the staff and the friendly Jamaican hospitality. The water sports are fantastic. You will not find water sports like this anywhere else. Motorized water sports like skiing, tubing, banana boat rides, snorkeling, glass bottom boat rides, it's all included. Reach out with any questions. I would love to help you get your family here.